Okay, 9. We're now going to have a look at example 17 part B, where we're dividing a decimal by a decimal. Okay, so basically all we're trying to do is turn this decimal, the smaller number, this decimal, into a whole number, just like it is over here. So to do that, I'll just write down this 0.5 here. We're going to make that into a whole number, and the way to do it is to move the decimal point to the right so it's after the number, not before. So that means just one number to the right. So once we do that, we've got a 5. Decimal point goes that way, so it's after the 5, which means it basically disappears. And so since we've done that to here, they're going to do the same to here. Move the decimal point one number to the right, which means it's between the 6 and the 5. Okay, so when we get to the questions, you need to move the decimal point of this smaller one to the right 1. That goes to the right 1, to the right 1. This one, you'll have to move it 2 places to get it past that number. So whatever you do to this one, you've got to do the same number of times. So 2 numbers that way to get it there, 2 numbers that way to get it there. That's got to go 2, 1, 1. Yep, most of them are just 2 or 1 places to the right to make them whole numbers. And once you've done that, you do the same as this. So divided by 5. So that becomes this. 1286.5. Since we're dealing with this now, not this, we have the same answer. 5 into 1 doesn't go. 5 into 12 does. Twice, with 2 left over. 5 into 28 is 5, with 3 left over. 5 into 36 is 7, with 1 left over. And decimal point lines up. 5 into 15 goes 3. There's our answer. Okay. So this one, do the same as here. First, move the decimal point to this one to the right so it becomes a whole number. The idea is so that we're working with a whole number. And since we did 1 there, we're going to do the same here, 1 place. So same process for this one. Make the second number a whole number by moving the decimal point out of the way. So that moves 1 number, 2, 2, and so on. And whatever you do here, you do the same to this number. Then we can do the dividing. There we go. Thank you.